Flying mammal and bird. Flying mammals. Mammals are the class of animals which give birth to live offspring and feed their young ones on milk from their breast. 2. Flying mama is the type of animal which belongs to mammalian group with additional quality of flying. 3. Bats are representative animals of this group. 3. Bats have many unusual characteristics. They cannot walk very well because of skin that reaches over its front and back legs. 6. It flies at night and stays in caves and other dark places during the day. 7. Hanging upside down by the claws of its back legs, it looks like flying mice. Birds. Birds are winged, bipedal, endothermic warm-blooded, egg-laying vertebrate animals. 2. There are around 10,000 living species across the world. 3. All birds have forelimbs modified as wings and most can fly with few exceptions like ratites, penguins, and number of various island species. Difference between bats and birds. The variation between bats and birds is their structure and class. Bats came from the Chiroptera and Aves family. Bats are webbed-structured flying animals while birds are feathered-winged animals. Bats are mammals, so they don't lay eggs, compared to birds that are known as egg-laying animals. When flying, bats don't flap their forelimbs completely, compared to birds. Generally, bats have teeth which help them when eating while birds have beaks in picking up food and eating them. Bats are nocturnal animals. They hunt and go around their business at night and sleep during the day while birds work and hunt for food during daytime and sleep at night.